Hello, I'm Dani. Welcome to the workshop. In Bulgaria we say new year, new luck. Well, this is comforting if the year was bad. Usually when you had a great year, you want to have exactly the same luck in the next one. But while luck is something out of our hands, hard work is something that can help us achieve what we want. So how was my 2023? It started with 3D Experience World in Nashville. There I met amazing people, learned a lot of stuff. We had a really great time together. I learned to cast thanks to Luke, and you just meet a lot of people and have a great time. Have you been on 3D Experience World? If so, you can share your experience in the comments below the video. This was not all. Amazing people was great, amazing time was also great, but on the last day of the conference, which is dedicated to SolidWorks communities, I was also awarded a Champion of the Year 2022, just 1 year after I became a champion. Why? Well, I read what is it to be a champion and decided to follow it on 100%, and this is how it happens. The next big thing that happened for me in that year was moving from Germany to Bulgaria. That was a huge step requiring a lot of effort, and actually one of the reasons I was posting less videos in this year. We found a house next to the sea, and we never imagined on what magical place actually we will land. Neighborhood is great. All the neighbors are successful people with experience abroad, with good positions in good companies. We didn't knew that when we came here. But once we get to know each other, it turned out that we are fitting together as community really well. This was something we were really missing in Germany, the community. And here you can always seek for help and advice from your neighbor, and they're always ready to help. Nobody ever has turned down a request for help, including me. I made a number plates for the houses, helped the neighbor with printing some holders for his house that he needed and was not available in the market. And actually we're having nice conversations every evening together and just enjoying the life, which is great. And then in August, another amazing thing happened. I was invited to the Dassault Systèmes Campus in Waltham, Boston, meet old faces from 3D Experience World as new people with which we had some great time together and really amazing conversation. It was a big honor for me to be part of this group and to spend time there. The Dassault Systèmes Campus in Waltham, Boston is a very interesting place in which work amazing people. But of course that's not all. Let's have a look a little bit on my user group. I wanted really a lot to have physical meetings, because after 3D Experience World I realized that physical meeting is something really important. Yes, you can do it online. Yes, you can be a guest speaker around the world thanks to technology. But to meet people in person, to see their reactions, they have more desire to ask questions when everything is in person. I wasn't able to form an adult group, but instead of this, I'm going in a vocational school where I'm teaching the kids SolidWorks, and this is happening almost every week. I'm happy, the kids are also happy, and I think this is a great first step for my user group towards in-person meetings. Meanwhile, my customers are also doing great. With one of them, we released a revolutionary measurement device, and now it's already on the market and it's gathering a lot of interest, and thanks to it, one day maybe we will have even bigger data transfers in the world, and that's something I'm really proud of. My other customer is also doing really well. he's selling equipment to big brands as BMW, and I'm happy for them and I wish them even better year now. For me, I hope I will have at least as good year as the previous. I will continue working on my projects. I will have some more time for my channel because really I'm really sad. I was so occupied with moving from one place to another that actually I was not able to provide much new content. But this will change this year, and I promise. If you would like to share how was your year, you can do it in the comments below. For me, it will be really interesting to see if there is something new you're proud of, or if you have learned new things and become a little bit better in SolidWorks or in your profession. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.